Hi guys, this is day 7 and you're in Miss Ellerbe's kitchen. Yesterday we talked about mixtures and solutions, and today we are going to talk about the types of mixtures. In order to do that, we are actually going to make a mixture. You have here popcorn, gummy worms, peanut M&Ms, and Skittles. And we are going to make a mixture. Now, from your definitions on yesterday, you know that a mixture is when you combine 2 or more substances. So we are going to use this Ziploc bag and we are going to combine 2 or more substances. So we're going to start with the little popcorn, and my table's clean so I can do that. We're going to add some Skittles, and right here itself is already a mixture because we've already combined 2 or more substances. But we're going to keep going, and we are going to add some M&Ms, kind of like a trail mix almost, and we are going to add some gummy worms, and they're sticky, so I'm going to have to pick those up. So now we have a bag of all 4, and we're going to mix it together. And this is our mixture. It's kind of like a trail mix. So we have created a mixture. Now, one of the types of mixtures that we're going to learn about today is called a heterogeneous mixture. And that's what this is. With a heterogeneous mixture, you can separate the properties. The properties are not the same throughout. It contains things that are uneven, things that are just different in all categories, and basically you can clearly identify. You can clearly say this is an M&M, this is popcorn, this is a gummy worm. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. This is when you can separate the mixture. Now, how can we separate the mixture? That is going to be a challenge. Maybe not. There are several ways we can separate a mixture. One way is by color. We can say, let's take out all things that are blue. And we can take out a blue Skittle. We can take out a blue gummy worm. We can even find a blue M&M, and we can take that out as well. Sorry, camera almost fell down. So color, we can do color. We can also separate them by taste. We can say, okay, which one has a salty taste? And that's usually the popcorn. So you can say, all right, I'm going to take out all the popcorn because the popcorn is usually the saltiest. We can also separate them by texture. We can say, all right, we're going to take out all the things that are round and smooth. So we can take out all the M&Ms and we can take out all the Skittles because those are round and smooth. So we have just created a heterogeneous mixture. Again, that is basically when you can identify what your mixture is all about and you can separate it. And remember, we did separations by texture, we did size, and we did color. No, we didn't do size, I'm sorry. We did texture, taste, and color. But we can do size if you wanted to. Alright, so the next type of mixture that we are going to talk about today is going to be a homogeneous mixture. These are usually your solutions. Solutions have the same properties throughout. And what I have for you today is a pitcher of water and lemonade powder. And so we are going to make a solution. Solutions form when substances dissolve in another substance. So our first substance is the water and our second substance is the powder lemonade. So we are going to pour that together. and we are going to mix. Now, once we start mixing this together, you cannot pinpoint which is the powder versus which is the water. It all looks like one substance now, even though you clearly saw me pour the lemonade powder inside of the water. But now the powder has dissolved evenly throughout and it looks like one substance. Now this is still a mixture, but this is now also a solution. And this solution is called a